Now, how can we increase the value of capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor? So what is parallel plate capacitor? We have two plates connected in this way. What is the value of capacitance? Epsilon 0 A by D is the capacitance. But we have a standard equation to find the value of capacitance, which is Q by V. Now the only way to increase the capacitance is decreasing the potential through which a charge of Q is stored. Now how can I decrease the potential? By inserting a dielectric. How can we do that? We know potential is equal to E into D. Now electric field inside two parallel parallel plates with opposite charges are sigma by epsilon 0. I have explained you in the first chapter. So sigma by epsilon 0 into D will be the potential in between these two plates. Now I have to decrease the potential. How can I do that? By inserting a dielectric. Whenever a dielectric is inserted, along with epsilon 0, epsilon r will come. So basically epsilon 0 is the property of medium. So whenever the medium changes, epsilon 0 will changes to epsilon 0 into epsilon r, and value of epsilon r is greater than 1. Now what will happen when when a dielectric insert in between two parallel plates in the capacitor? The total value of this one increases, so potential decreases. When potential decreases, capacitance increases. Clear? And the value of capacitor along with epsilon 0, the new value will be epsilon 0 into epsilon r into A by D. So this is capacitance of a dielectric. Capacitor, parallel plate capacitor with dielectric in between. This is air in between. And this gives you a new definition for dielectric constant. What is dielectric constant? Just divide these two. Capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with dielectric divided by capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with with air in between. So CD divided by C0. What is this value? Epsilon 0, epsilon r A by D divided by epsilon 0 A by D. So epsilon 0 A cancel, DD cancel, and the value will be epsilon r. This is nothing but dielectric constant. So this is the definition for dielectric constant. Parallel plate capacitor, capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with dielectric in between divided by capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with air in between. Just divide these two values, we will be getting the value of dielectric constant. Clear? So make a note of this equation. And the important relation that capacitance will increase when a dielectric is being inserted in between the parallel plate capacitor. Thank you.